between 7 and 13 days dropped their list price. 54% of homes for sale 31 days or longer made a pricing adjustment. It's Friday, October 28th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. These pricing adjustments could be good news for buyers as the average adjustment is about 7%, but homes priced under $250,000 are cutting by more than 10.5%. However, there are many more sellers who are holding out at the higher asking price. Luxury home sellers are not making adjustments as quickly. Only 28.9% of homes listed for sale at $1 million or above made pricing adjustments of 8.4% compared to the 40% of home sellers under $1 million. What does this mean for home values? Well, home values are still strong. Even with these pricing adjustments, home prices will be between 20% to 40% higher than they were in 2019. Over the past week, 1,413 homes were listed for sale, 631 went under contract, and 870 moved to pending. 1,264 sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 12 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Chevy Chase for $4,500,000. Rentals rose to 2,119 from last week at an average of $2,762 per month, and days on the market rose to 26 days. If you are considering a move, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home, so give me a call. As the expert, I can provide you with the facts, data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for October 28th, 2022. Be sure to check out our Halloween event calendar at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Events in the navigation bar to find places for the kiddos to trick or treat or some spooky fun. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.